Hey everyone, so I am back with another little mini haul. I did some shopping at Sephora when they had the 20% off sale like a month ago. I was literally just thinking the other day, like, where is my order? It's been ages. And then it turns out it was waiting at the post office for me and I didn't get the notification on my phone. And I was like, I need to get it right now. So I'm just going to show you everything that I bought and why, maybe. This box is a really inconvenient shape for me right now. So I think I spent about $200 after the discount, so it's pretty good for the amount of stuff I got, but let's see what's in here. Okay, so starting off with skincare items, I got this little gift pack from Laneige. I actually don't know how to say that brand, so correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so in here we've got the Waterbank Hyaluronic Moisturizer. We've got a Waterbank Cleansing Foam, the Waterbank Serum. We've got the lip sleeping mask, which I haven't tried before and I wanted to try, which is mainly the reason why I got this pack, but I wanted to try a few bits and pieces to see if there's anything else I like from the brand, but I've heard a lot of good things about this. And then it also comes with a little water sleeping mask, which I actually bought a full size of. You get the cute little makeup bag as well, but mine actually came, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like hella dirty, and I don't know if something spilled and they just didn't clean it, but nothing's leaking, but it's dirty, even though it's brand new, so that's a bit sus. Like I mentioned, I got the full size of the water sleeping mask by Laneige as well. Oh my god, spatulas flying. They recently like repackaged all their products, and I used to buy one of their moisturizers. I don't even know if this is the right one, but it helps to repair your skin barrier, which is sort of what I need to do, but it's very gelatinous, but it looks so good. I love these gel creams a lot. I'm just gonna put some on right now. Yes, I just realised I said gelatinous, which is a weird word to describe skincare, but anyway. It feels nice and light, nice and not a lot of smell. Next up, the little O. Henriksen eye cream moisturizer duo, which I get every single sale. It's like 30 bucks for the duo, and I don't go through this a lot, so I really like to get this, but I love this eye cream. It's the best one I've ever tried. Last bit of skincare, I got the Inkey List Omega Water Cream. I haven't tried anything from here before, but it's really affordable, so I wanted to see if it's any good. I mean, I've heard some good things. I just wanted like another moisturizer. I've bought a lot of moisturizers actually. But yeah, basic just looks like this. Just now realizing I didn't actually buy a lot of makeup stuff. So the pieces I got, the Natasha Denona Bloom Highlighting Blush, which comes in the metal packaging like most of her products, but oh my god, can you see this? It's so pretty. I don't know if you can see, the camera doesn't show, but it's super sparkly, super like fluorescent, which I love my blush, so that's all good with me. I got the Glowish Bronzer by Huda Beauty in the shade 310 Light, which is like a marble, so you swirl it together, but I haven't heard anything about it, but it looked cool and I wanted to try it, so we'll see. I'll let you know. Last item is the Rare Beauty brush. I thought it would be really good for like nose contour, even though I know it's concealer, but anyway, I'm out.